Hi, this is Tim Dickey. I'm an FPGA specialist with the Future Intelligent Solutions Group, and I'm here to talk to you today about the Lattice class, specifically about the Nexus platform and Avant and the solution stacks. So this is my fourth AEU, second one live, two virtual now, and one of the takeaways out of the Lattice class is that they're introducing kind of a critical new product family called Avant. It's going to be announced publicly December 5th, and so you'd have to check that out online. But that's going to push them into a new market density space from 200K logic cells up to 500,000 gates. So it's going to open up a whole new marketplace and something that we can look forward to with new customers that we weren't able to access before. So, thank you.
Hey everybody, Todd Zagumny from Future Electronics here at AEU 2022. Just got out of the IOC Panasonic Angle of Arrival seminar. We got the IOC Angle of Arrival signal locator here and the Panasonic tag with the PAN 1781. These two will allow you to do a full XYZ coordinate location throughout a warehouse, building, anywhere you want. It does that with just a normal Bluetooth tag, no special firmware or anything. This box does have special firmware from IOC to do the angle of arrival signal location for you. But with these, you get a package. Buy this, get these made, you make them, you design them, whatever you want to do with them. If you need temperature, humidity, or just location, perfect. It's fully customizable. Great package, come talk to us.
Hello everybody, my name is Tom Saluzzo. I'm a Regional Technical Director at Future Electronics, and I'm attending my very first AEU. I'm very excited about the Littelfuse class I just came out of. I'm wowed by the technology that they have for circuit protection, which you probably know already. But with their recent acquisitions of IXYS and C&K, they now can provide solutions into your power devices as well as switches. I encourage you to connect with one of your local application engineers at Future Electronics to understand how they can help you with your designs. Thank you.